What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, so we got some updates. So we got a new sponsor slash partner, 1552, representing the Audi build. Right now, the Audi is at the shop. It's been a while since I've updated you guys on it, but I got really bored of the livery, and I think it's time for a Tony's Classics livery. So that's getting done right now, and I'm gonna show you guys these wheels that our partners sent. I am so excited. Like they are phenomenal. They are beautiful. I've been spending like a year trying to look for 4x108 bolt pattern wheels. 1552 just had them chilling and exactly what I needed. So stay tuned, check this out, and thanks for tuning in. Boom. Guys, these are so beautiful. Like it even says 1552 right there. We got it's a raised textured logo. Like I don't know how to explain it, but it's not just a flat image. These are beautifully coated in white. Specs are 17 by 7.5, 4 by 108, 63.4, and the offset is 42 millimeters. These are probably my dream wheels for the Audi. I don't really see myself needing anything crazy for it because it's my rally car and my winter rally car. I think these were, and I know are, the perfect wheels. And honestly, you guys said they were heavy. They're not really that heavy. That is so beautiful. That is actually gorgeous. So let's compare it to the Mercedes because you guys might think it's similar, but it's kind of similar, but not really. So move this over. All right, guys. So these are original Evo 2s from Mercedes factory, powder coated in white. These are 1552 Tarmacs. So these are a 5-spoke. That is a 6-spoke. I mean, if you want those wheels, our partners here actually recreated them. So they're called the Tarmac Evos. And I really wanted them if I didn't already have the original wheels. So just to remember, these are going on the Audi. I'll put a little picture up in case you forgot what the Audi looked like. So these are not for this car. This car has a special project, special wheels coming in soon. But today is all about 1552, baby. So I'm just gonna show you these a little bit more in detail. And I hope one day that can help you make your purchase a lot easier. Man, these wheels just sit so beautifully. Just something about freshly coated white wheels. Man, I can't wait for them to go on the Audi. Like it's gonna look so nice. This is what we wanted. Let me show you guys the inside. So we got 17, let me focus the camera, sorry. 17 Tarmacs, the 1552 logo. We got the offset right there. We got, I'm assuming that's the rotation that it goes. You got some nice, beautiful caps, beautiful finish. These things are gorgeous. I'm a little scared leaving it on this thing. Nah, it should be fine. Like beautiful, beautiful. Just gorgeous. So I'm gonna unbox one of these for a nice little reel. So stay tuned for when we go get some tires. Stay tuned for when we drop these off at Raptors. Guys, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, 1552, I am forever grateful. Like, we're gonna kill it this season. We're actually gonna kill it this season. I'm gonna have both cars out side by side, Audi and Benz, and maybe my future ones. Stay tuned. We're gonna kill it this season. I'm so excited. Like when I got these wheels on the Mercedes, completely changed the game. So now I'm gonna have these wheels on the Audi. It's gonna be phenomenal. So thank you so much. Again, you know, Shop Classics, by the way. 1552, like you killed it. You actually killed it. I love you guys. Cheers. Stay tuned for next week's video and have a good one. Cheers.